Hi everybody, my name is Juan Manuel Vallejo and this is my presentation of the product. We are talking about a fragrance created with natural chemical components that allow the client to have a sensation of tranquility and relaxation, that the also has a fresh aroma and that evokes the tranquility, fullness that provides security when using it. Um, how are you evaluation the proposal? Okay, the method used for the evaluation of the fragrance is the cost approach to the property valuation, in which we take into account the sum of the cost of the raw material plus the indirect cost plus the labor that finally gives us the value of the cost of production for sale. Um, protecting the IP. The name and the brand of this product is protected by registering the brand and the patent of the formula before the Superintendence of Industria and Comercio of Colombia. Okay, so that the conditions are at commercialis. The condition under which our product will be marketed are established in the agreement documents for the commercialization of the fragrance to relieve stress that stipulates struck into the established terms the detail of the commercial agreement agreeing with the licensor, a document that will be available for study and verification on the course platform. Thanks.